Call Mr. Edwin Poots. Mr. Poots.
Question number 3, Mr. Deputy Speaker.
Minister.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, the 10-year strategy for children and young people aims to deliver improved outcomes across 6 main areas. We recognise the potential impact that violence in the home may have on achieving the high-level outcomes of healthy, one of the strategies, and living in safety and with stability, the other strategy. However, the strategy does not repeat or replicate actions emerging from other cross-cutting strategies. Through implementation of the strategy for children and young people, we will work to ensure that the rights and needs of children and young people in Northern Ireland are properly addressed in emerging action plans under the cross-cutting strategies, such as Tackling Violence at Home strategy, which is published by the Department of Health, Social Services and Public Safety, and which addresses domestic violence and abuse. The Health Minister chairs the Interministerial Group on Domestic and Sexual Violence, which was established to ensure the involvement of key service providers and voluntary and statutory partners in this area. The junior ministers represent OFM, DFM on that group because of the potential impact of domestic violence on children. In addition, an interagency regional steering group led by DHSS, PS and the NIO was established to examine the issues around prevention, protection and justice, support and training and development for practitioners. Senior officials from OFM, DFM, Gender and Sexual Orientation Equality Unit are represented at this forum. This strategic group feeds into the interministerial group working together on all the issues associated with domestic violence, sexual violence and abuse.
Mr. Poots, supplementary.
I thank the First Minister for his response. And would he agree with me that the former member for Lagan Valley and current Children's Commissioner for the SDLP, when she was a member here, would be better pursuing children's interests in terms of the home and in terms of domestic violence rather than pursuing parents who actually care about their children?
Minister.
Well, I think everybody knows that resources are extremely limited and the best use must be made of those resources. Clearly, both the court case and the appeal against that judgment cost a considerable amount of money, which goes directly out of the budget that would otherwise have been available for other child support services. Everyone can make their own judgment on whether that was good value for money. Clearly, both cases were lost, and therefore there is no positive outcome for the Children's Commissioner.